Good morning, grass. Good morning, flowers. Good morning to you. Good morning to me. Okay, we're done. Okay, a picture.
There.
Oh, okay. A picture. Okay. I paint a picture. I love it very much. I put on the wall. I put in the door. I put on the window. I put on the wardrobe. I will paint more pictures. Time for a bath. Oh, it's time for a bath na
60
Nathan.
pieces, storybook.
Ted is dirty. Nathan's dirty.
Maubos na nila.
It's time to bath. You need to bath. Yes. Ted like water. Nathan's like water. Ted likes bubbles.
What's that?
Bubble. Nathan like bubbles. Okay. Ted likes yellow duck. Do you like yellow duck? Ted likes playing in the water. Do you like playing in the water? Yes. Ted smiles good. Smells good. Is Nathan smell good?
This one.
Oh no. Help. The title is help. Help. I can help you, little rabbit. Help. I can help you, little chick. Help. I can help you, little cat. We can help you, kind heart. Oh, konti na lang. Weekend. Where are you going?
I go to.
Oh, good. I'm going to park. I'm going to the park. I'm going to cinema. I'm going to shop. I'm going to bookstore. I'm going to supermarket. I'm going to restaurant.
This one.
Go fishing.
Maubos na yung 60 pieces. 60 pieces na storybook.
1, 2, 3. I catch 3 fish.
Maubos
4,
na.
5,
Dami
6.
na natapos.
I catch 6 fish. 7, 8, 9. I catch 9 fish. Delicious.
Look, it's a fire.
Yeah, it's a pie. He cooked the fish and eat.
This one. Okay.
Teddy bear. Do you have a teddy bear? Oh. Teddy bear. Teddy bear, float your feet. Teddy bear, wave your hand. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, bend down low. Teddy bear, touch your tooth. Teddy bear, twist your waist. Teddy bear, dance with me.
Numbers.
I can count. Oh, numbers. I can count. How many birds? 3 birds. 1, 2, 3. How many ducks?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, 5 ducks. How many dogs?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, 8 dogs. I can count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yay!
I hate this one.
Oh, long and short. The train is long. Whoa! The car is short. Okay. The snake is long. The earthworm is short. Oh no, short. The branch is long. The leaf is short. I have long hair. You can short hair.
This one. Teacher.
Oh no.
Dream job.
Malapit na matapos.
A dream
You're
job.
almost done.
What's your dream job? A teacher. Doctor. Policeman. Actor. Reporter. Baker. What dream job, Nathan? What you do? What you do? What?
This one.
Monster Castle. Monster's Castle is a big castle. He is ugly. He can jump. He can fly. He eats glass. He eats cans. What a terrible monster!
This one.
Last two.
A seed. A seed. I'm a seed. I'm a spot. No, I'm still growing. I'm a tree. No, I have no trunk, no leaves. I'm a flower. Yes, I'm a flower.
The last one, Mommy will read it to you. Is it okay? No, okay? Only Daddy?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy
Five
New
words.
Year! Happy
Gambling.
New Year! May we have...
With bucket. Happy New Year. We're done. Yay!
Yay! You're done!
How
60
many books?
pieces!
Count. How many books?
Oh no, it's 60
One.
pieces.
Oh,
Okay, you
two.
count it already. Somebody, you count
Count.
lo.
3.
Okay, enough na. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you again next time. Ako si Kitty Pie, pero makuliti Pie. Bye-bye.